So here's an update on them for November. And this month I just got his left arm done, which is where I redid it all. And it now uses brass inserts, and the screws just slip through the plastic and then they screw into a nut. So it's either one of the two, which is really good for longevity. So I won't have to worry about the plastic threads just falling apart, because that does happen. And I'm hoping to I'm not hoping to, I'm going to implement all of that throughout his whole mech, which sounds like it's going to take a long time, but it won't take as long as it looks like. So, and then yeah, I've also got this beast in there, these tiny servos, the RDS servos. This one's pretty overpowered for what was in there originally. It was one of these cheap ones, which worked great. But now this one's really overpowered for it, which is fine because it'll last really long. So, oh yeah, I'm going to put, this one's, the right arm's still the same. This piece snapped because when I was doing an animation test, this went all the way up and then slammed down really quickly. So it caused a snap, which is fine because I'm going to replace it. So I just put this in here, which probably should have put this in here before it snapped, but that was just what happened. This also snapped because I was doing an animation test, but I was kind of expecting it to snap because it was really fast, which is fine because which is also fine because I'm going to redesign this too. So I just have this wedged in there, hold it up a little more, and I just have these powered off, and they're going to be powered off until I redesign it, which this is going to be the next thing I'm going to redesign. So I'm going to do this, then the right arm, and then do some tweaks on his head. And then that honestly should be it for mechanical for a little bit, besides little tweaks and stuff for cosmetics. And then I'll work on this mess, which will be great because I keep having an issue where the servos will like twitch, and it's so annoying. And then they'll spaz out, and it kind of like spreads to other servos. Because I think it's the signals will like, I don't know, escape the wires or something, or like just like go out through static and just, I don't know, and just go out through all the other servos. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's really it. This, I think, I confidently think this could hit a servo, not a servo, a symbol. And if it can, then this should be done. Because this is really, really strong. Because I put a ball bearing in there. I think I showed that. Yeah, I did show that in the last video. Yeah, that's really it for now. There's a full picture of them. Yeah, there we go. That's it.